2021 Mach 1 Mustang with an ESS supercharger and a PCMTEC tune installed by Rob Shoemaker in Red's Performance Garage located in Maryville, Tennessee. The PCMTEC tune provides a feature allowing on-the-fly switching between the high-performance map and the Ghost Cam map. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to easily switch between the tune maps using the cancel button and the set plus and set minus buttons. Currently, we're in the high performance tune, and to easily swap to the Ghost Cam tune, first I'll press the cancel button. Next, I'll press the set plus button. The RPM gauge indicates that we are in map 2. And as you can tell by the sound of the exhaust, we're ghost camming. To swap back to the high performance tune, I'll press the cancel button and press the set minus button. And now we're back into map 1 as indicated by the RPM gauge.